Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. We're going to get right to the radar. Again, if you're in northwest Minnesota, the Northern Valley, the James River Valley, things quieting down nicely. Just a few remnant storms right now in our southern valley counties and lakes counties. And this whole cluster of thunderstorms here, there's many thunderstorms in this line, having a backward C shape to them, indicating that wind is probably our main concern moving forward. Although where we see these deeper reds here near Lidgerwood, near the Dakota Magic Casino to Wheaton, Rossholt, that is where we have that risk for some hail. At this point, it looks like that hail will be around 3/4 of an inch in diameter or less. There's the largest hail core right there, just near you in Rossholt. This moving slowly to the south and to the east, all the way up towards Lidgerwood and the Hankinson area. Another hail core out there just north of Veblen. That'll be moving into your area. These are moving to the south and east and about 25 to 30 miles per hour. These storms here moving a little bit faster with this backward C shape here, moving into Hoffman there in Grant County, crossing the border into Douglas County on the I-94 corridor. And Battle Lake, Parker's Prairie, we showed you some photos from those areas as the storms move through. Behind it, we're seeing the development of a few more thunderstorms, so we're not quite done yet in places like Lake Park, also out in southern and eastern reaches of the Clay County area. And check out this border crosser right now in the Clearwater Becker County area. 62 in Bemidji, 68 in Langdon, and it's 75 for you in Grand Forks this hour. 72 Roseau. All in all, it's a real quiet night. The cause of all of this inclement weather, we'll call it, is a cold front moving through, a reinforcing burp of cold air straight out of Manitoba. Here's your skies right now in the FM area. Looking off to the east and to the south is where things are darkest, but things look a little bit brighter as we look in the other direction. Not so bright were the skies over West Battle Lake moments ago. Bessie sharing these lake scrapers there. And here's a look at this lit funnel cloud as it's working its way near the Marion area. Melissa capturing that. Here's another look at the Fergus Falls area. This wall cloud working its way through. Lisa, and thanks to all of you for sharing your photos. We appreciate you continuing to do so as the storms exit our area. 75 right now out at Hector. North winds 18 miles per hour. Showers and storms exit to the south. By the time we get to about 8 o'clock, most of us will be quiet, minus a few hit and miss dash showers working their way to the south and east. And overnight, temperatures will sneak down, and we're going to be cool thanks to this cool front. Clear skies, brief 40s, and maybe even mid 40s once again in places like Langdon, Walhalla, and Foston. As we go through the day, though, the sunshine aplenty will feel fantastic. Saturday, the pick day of the weekend, because Sunday will bring another front working its way through. So enjoy the 70s, enjoy the quiet. We're expecting some chances of storms. Some could be strong. This is on Sunday, level 1. Again, just like today, a few storms may skirt with the severe criteria. 1-inch hail and 50+ mile per hour gusts will be the main risk. Here's another view of this. This is a tornado near the Cullum area. Thanks again to all of our photo sharers and video uploaders. Sunday, warmer, southerly winds, strong to maybe even severe storms. Then we cool off for the first 3/4 of the work week, and then the 80s return late week and into the upcoming weekend. The heat of summer returns with a better shot at some mid and maybe even upper 80s.
Just getting a little break.
Back. Yeah. Thanks, Hutch.
Still ahead on Valley News Live at 6. A big night name in presidential politics was in Fargo today to talk to Governor Burgum. We'll hear what he had to say about his campaign chances.